Welcome, students. It's Mrs. Walton here to teach you all about word ladders. You might have done them before, you might not, but either way, I'm here to help you be successful. So, when you think of a ladder, remember, if you're trying to get up to something, you're going to start at the bottom and work your way up to get to the top. It's the same with the word ladder. We're going to work our way from the bottom all the way to the top. And in order to do this, we have some clues here to help us know how to do it. And I'm going to give you a little trick because if you can see when I look at number 1 here, I can't see 1 over here to type in my answer. So if you look at this example of your keyboard right here, you've got this button that's called Control, CTRL, and this minus sign over here. That's going to help you zoom out. So I'm going to hold Control and I'm going to zoom out twice, hit the minus sign twice. And now I can see all the way from the bottom to the top and my number 1 over here. So let's work through this together. It's going to take some thinking, but I know you can do it. So we're starting with the word cat. And this says we're going to change some letters here to get our first word. And our clue is the puppy blank on my lap. Change the first letter. So I know I'm going to change the C, so I'm going to have AT at the beginning, but I need to change that C to something else. Well, the puppy is on my lap, so it's probably laying there or it's sitting there, and the way I could write that is sat. Sat, I changed the C to an S and I have sat. That makes sense. So now we're going to use the word sat, and it's going to help us change some letters for number 2. It says a small rug. Change the first letter. So we're going to change that first letter again. So we're still going to use the A and T. And it says to change the first letter. So a small rug that ends in at, that would be mat. So if you didn't know it was mat, you could have tried some different letters that made sense. But I know a small rug is a mat. Now I go up to number 3, and it says this is used to hit a baseball. Change the first letter. So we're keeping that AT again, and we're going to change that first letter from an M to what? This is used to hit a baseball. Well, I know that they use a bat and a B. That would be a B, and that makes sense. B, bat. I just changed that first letter. Well, there is your whole word ladder there. Go ahead and try out your word ladder, and this will be helpful for you. This video will be helpful for you to reference as you are remembering kind of how to look through and think through everything. Good luck, boys and girls.